Merge and center. Used to be very useful. I'm not going to put down any feature in Excel, but honestly, merge and center can cause some issues. So let's go over it. So if we have a spreadsheet that has something merged in center and it's causing us problems, we know how to remedy it. Here I'm going to put sentence. And let's say that we want it to be merged and centered across these 4 cells. If you're not familiar with what merge and center is, if you right click, it's actually a button right here. And it's up here also in the ribbon. So let's click on merge and center. As you can see, it's put this in the middle of these 4 cells. So this is now B2. There is no longer a C2 or a D2 or a E2. If I try to type in this address bar, E2, it's going to take me to B2. It's just one big mushed together cell. Now, why is this an issue sometimes? Let's say that we want to sort column B and we're all the way down in row 1,000,000. So we try to do some shortcuts and we can't sort because we've highlighted the entire group of data instead of just one column. So usually people will put this in a different style to make it stand out as a header of sorts. And if we're running into issues, we can easily undo this by clicking on that button, which unmerges these cells. Now we have our CD and E2 back. If we go up here, we can simply unmerge the cells. So I'm not going to get too in-depth in this feature. These days, usually when I want a header, I'll use a different option than merge and center. I feel like it cuts down on the dynamics of being able to use a spreadsheet sometimes. Again, not putting it down. Everyone has their preference, and sooner or later you might get a spreadsheet where you have to either do this or remove it.